you guys. Cam, shoes in your closet. Shoes in your closet. Thank you. Hey. You need a hug. Do you want to cook dinner or clean the house? There's chicken and rice. Hold on, I'll be right. If I had $1 for every time you took out the trash, ever so sweetly, but then did not put the trash back in, like chicken dates, even if it says sell by.
Sell by.
No, even if the chicken says sell by, that's the day we have to cook it by.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. You need to do outfit.
The dog hair. Can you hug me? Yeah. It went down the.
Whose eyes?